We are at the Yamaha dealer where our long-term test bike just arrived, a brand new 2018 Yamaha YZF R1M. So it's a special edition, it's a race-ready bike. I can't wait to get it out. Let's get started. First I have to remove these straps. Let's bring her to light now. Oh my god! It's always a great joy when you unwrap a new bike. It's like Christmas morning when you were a little boy, only better. Oh my god, it looks so good. I need a moment just to stare at it. The finish is a bit changed, but it's looking incredible. I can't wait to start it and finally ride it. But first of all, we have to remove it from this box. You might wonder why an R1M? An R1M because it's a full spec race machine, and with the 2018 updates now you have an auto blipper, an electronic suspension that is now refined. It's with 3 setups ready to go on track, and that's very helpful for riding on track. Also, there's an anti-wheelie, this anti-wheelie system. It's a bit soft and it's a bit modified. The finish is absolutely superb. I love the carbon fairings. Also, it comes with a brushed aluminum tank, and also the swing arm, it's brushed aluminum. This is such a nice finish. Oh, it has a R1M logo on the wheels. These are lighter wheels, the one with 2 pounds less weight to help you with the performance on track. I can see the keys, probably they're underneath this bag over here. Hopefully, these are the keys. I want so bad to start it, but the battery is unplugged, so we'll also have to plug the battery. Let's see what's underneath here. We have the battery, but first I have to remove this plate, I think, in order to get to the battery. Oh, and here's the ABS system. Maybe you know this bike has a 6-axis EMU that helps it with a cornering ABS and the traction control. It's also lean sensitive. I told you already that it comes with all the specs a modern superbike needs. Here's the bolt for the battery that I have to plug. Okay, so this is very small. Positive and the negative are both off. This is a small battery. Who would have thought that a liter bike can run with a small battery like this one? It's also very lightweight. I wouldn't expect that. I'll leave this for later. Now I want to start it, so I'll pour some gasoline inside this beautiful finished tank, but I have to be very careful with the keys not to scratch it. Hopefully I will make it. Let's pour some gas. Okay baby, I'm feeding you. Whoa, and it's coming to life. Very nice finish with the dash. I don't know if I have to do something else, if it's a special procedure or not, but I will start it. Bear with me for a second. We're giving it a go. Oh my god, it's sounding so good. Listen to this CP4 engine roaring to life. This is so nice. I was telling you a bit earlier about this all-in suspension that now it's improved. It's a semi-active suspension, electronically controlled, and it also features a GPS antenna over here. And the magic comes in when you go on track and the bike knows exactly where you are. So if you're going towards the corner, you're braking, the electronic suspensions knows your position and stiffens up the front end. When you're going mid-turn, when you're turning, it releases a bit the front, so you can have a lot of feel when entering. Then on the exit, the rear suspension becomes a bit stiffer, so it won't squat at the exit. That's a very cool asset to have on a race bike. I can't wait to test it on track. Let's check also what else Yamaha put in this box for us. Owner's manual. There are some electronic parts over here. I don't know where this come in, but I will have to... Oh, this is the GPS antenna I was telling you about a bit earlier. Let me show it to you because it's a very interesting unit. So this one comes fitted over here on the rear pillion cover. What else? What else? I think this is the communication unit for this antenna. In fact, all these three items are specially put here for the antenna. What else? We have a bit of a plate over here that I don't know where it goes. Plates. Mounting plates. I think they are for the front end and also small parts that need to be fitted on this bike. Oh, and I also have a toolkit. Nice. So I can adjust my spring on the rear, I think. These are for the springs. And also, just in case, the screwdriver and the key. Put them back here. Let's check some more. These are the small fairings that come over here in the front side. Two of them. I don't know what's this. I have to check it in the manual. And this is the seat cover, I think. It's made out of carbon, but has a very slick look. The bike becomes a bit more aggressive with this fitted. So, nice finish from Yamaha. Check out how this logo shines and blends in this carbon part. It's insane. Another improvement for the 2018 Yamaha R1M, it's this new auto bleeper that helps a lot. This means clutchless shifting up and down. You can go throughout the gears and everything happens. This is very helpful when riding on track. And another very impressive thing that will help you a lot on track, it's the new dash. Actually, it's not new. The menu, it's a bit easier to work with. In the previous model, you would have some issues finding the right setup for you. But now, everything is easier. You have the menu bar over here. You can go between the power modes, also adjust the traction control, the suspensions mode. Everything, it's very easy to reach. So I was telling you about the suspension. Now it comes with three easy to use modes. It's the Road R, also T1 and T2. T1 it's a bit more designed for slick use on track. T2 it's for a softer output from the suspension, and Road it's only for road use. A test ride will be arriving very soon. If you want to know everything or anything about this bike, leave us a comment below and we will answer it.